Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm diving into something I've been using nonstop lately, Gemini. When I first started, I was overwhelmed, but now I've got a few killer tips that completely changed how I use it. If you're a beginner and want to cut through the noise to use Gemini effectively, this video is for you. Let's get straight to the best tips I've learned from my own experience. Tip 1. The art of the specific prompt, quality input, quality output. My first and most important tip is this: be a pro at prompting. Early on, I'd just type things like write an email. The results were generic. The moment I started treating Gemini like a knowledgeable colleague, everything changed. Actionable tip: always include task, context, and format in your prompts. My example: instead of write a post about productivity, I now write, act as a seasoned life coach. Generate 3 punchy, no-fluff social media captions about the Pomodoro technique. The tone should be motivational and the format must be a numbered list. See the difference? More detail means a much more useful, straight-to-the-point output. It's a massive time saver. Tip 2. Integrating with Google Workspace, seamless workflow. One of Gemini's most powerful features, which I use daily, is its integration with other Google apps. This is where it goes from a simple chatbot to a true personal assistant. My use case: I link my Gmail and Google Calendar. When a long client email comes in, I don't read the whole thing. I simply go to Gemini and prompt, summarize the main action items from the latest email from client name, and draft a reply that says I'll handle it. Another use case: I've also used it to quickly add complex events. Create a calendar event for a 1-hour team meeting on Wednesday at 10 a.m. and include the Zoom link from my last meeting with them. This tip eliminates the constant back and forth between apps, making my workday so much smoother. Tip 3. Leveraging multimodal capabilities, beyond text. As a beginner, I thought Gemini was only for text. I was wrong. Don't forget its ability to see and hear. Image analysis: if I'm looking at a complex diagram, a math equation, or even a photo of a broken appliance, I upload it. My prompt becomes, explain the function of the part circled in red in this diagram, or what are the likely causes of this issue shown in the photo. It's incredible for quick, contextual help. Gemini Live, the voice conversation feature, is fantastic for brainstorming. I treat it like a real conversation, interrupting and refining my thoughts out loud. Say, hey Google, let's chat, and just talk through a problem, like planning a short trip or figuring out a gift idea. This multimodal approach unlocks a whole new level of practical utility. Tip 4. Iteration is key, refining the results. Finally, a tip that saves me from starting over: always iterate. The first answer is rarely the final one, and you don't need a new prompt for a minor change. Actionable tip: use follow-up prompts to refine the previous answer. My workflow: I'll get a generated text and immediately say, make that tone more professional, or condense this into 3 bullet points, or even give me a version that is 20% shorter. Gemini remembers the entire conversation context, so you can mold the result until it's exactly what you need, without having to re-explain the entire task. Conclusion and call to action. So, those are my best, most practical Gemini tips for anyone just starting out. Focus on those specific prompts, integrate your workspace, use the image and voice features, and always refine your answers. Using Gemini this way has genuinely made me more productive and less stressed. Thank you so much for watching. If these tips helped you, let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more straight-to-the-point tech guides, and I'll see you in my next video.